Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to introduce you a website called Notion. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to open up your browser and then you have to search for this website, Notion. You just need to type in Notion and this website will appear on your Google search and you just need to visit it. And after you have opened this website, you can create an account. Here I have created an account with my Google account guys. And this is my account on Notion. And after that, we'll be able to use this website, for example, to create a document. Basically, guys, we can use this website to organize our document. We can create a journal, to-do list, simple budget, travel planner, and personal mood board. And if you don't want to waste your time, you just need to use the template from Notion. Or if you want to create blank document, you just need to use this one, new page, and you can customize your document here. And to make the process faster, I'm just going to use template from Notion. For example, guys, I'm going to create a to-do list. So we can choose to-do list template. For example, I'm going to choose finance. Okay, and let's see what we have here. I'm just going to choose tracker. Okay, oops, it's not free. So I'm just going to try another template. I'm just going to choose the free template, guys. Let's try this one. Okay, just click on view template and let's see. All right, it's like this, but I think it's not free. So I'm going to go back and I'm just going to show you guys the free template I have created. Okay, this is the template I have just added. Yes, this is the habit tracker template. And here we can use this template for free to track our habit. Just like this. And you can customize it. If you want to customize the habit tracker, you just need to click on edit. Or you can scroll down here and you can change the habit buttons. Okay. Basically, you just need to use the template and then you will be able to customize the template according to your needs. Okay guys, and that's all the way to use Notion. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.